In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send big video on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then just get into some conversation. I'm just gonna open up a conversation with myself, and then the easiest way to send a video to a conversation is tap at that plus, select photo and video library, then select a video and then hit add send. What that will do, that will send this video to that particular conversation. However, it will automatically reduce the quality of this video, so WhatsApp app will compress this video. And if you would like to send video without losing quality, you need to first off open up Photos app, then search for a video. Open it up, tap right here at share, then tap at save to files, then select some folder on your iPhone. I'm just gonna save it right here to on my iPhone. And then if we go to WhatsApp, we need to tap right here at plus, and then instead of selecting photos and video library, we need to choose document. After that, we need to go to a folder in which we have saved our video. In my case, it is on my iPhone directory. Then just select a video, tap at open, and then tap at send. That will send this video as a document without losing quality.